Welcome back. Distribution of laptops to higher secondary students continue in the state under the Cyber Age scheme. Laptops were distributed at Margao and Vasco on occasion of Teachers' Day.
He has given laptops even to this like KV1, KV2, KV3. I think they've got 5 schools in Goa. And this is a pride for us, for our Goa government that we have distributed laptops in the central schools.
Highest Cyber Age scheme is 10 वर्ष झाली. The motive behind is what? To impart education, informative technology जी आसा ती सगळी लोकांमध्ये वचपाक जाय. And we have to excel ourselves. ती स्कीम आज पासून कोणाक बंद करपाक जावना आणि कोणी बंदी करपाक शकचे ना.
These laptops are also good and also very bad. And I don't know whether your parents will be very happy or they will start cursing the government or the principal. This is also there. Complaints will definitely come from the house. The whole day my daughter or son is sitting with the laptop. Whether he is studying very hard or whether he is watching or he or she is watching movies or misusing the laptop.
The JMFC court at Margao has adjourned the hearing of 2001 cricket ticket scam case to 26th of September. Police has filed an additional charge sheet in this matter. Public prosecutor has sought time to study the additional charge sheet. Present President of Goa Cricket Association, VINOD PHADKE, is one of the accused in this case.
But they were related to the similar offences, similar incident, and possibly, if I remember it, it was regarding damage to the public property and other incidents. So we will see the outcome of that charge sheet or case which was filed, because it was in respect of the similar incident, and whether there is any order passed in the revision which was filed, that case is also to be clubbed with this case, and thereafter the proceedings will start. 1 and 3, except 1 and 3, everybody was present, and exemption applications were moved. Permanent Badu Pasani, he was present, and on his permanent exemption is sought for, which is but it may be granted in a later date.
With this, we conclude this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.